Welcome back, children. Now we'll start with the 2.4 exercise. Here we have 8 questions in this exercise. The question number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 I will do in the notebook, and question number 2, 7, 8 I will explain and you have to do it yourself. Okay, practice it at home. The first question is, the population of the city in year 2002 was this. In the year 2005 the population increased to this. Earlier it was this, now it is this. What was the total increased in population of the city in 2005 over that in 2002? Now we have to find out how much population increased in 2005. Okay, suppose 1 to 10 counting, I'll ask you, if the population in 2002 was 5 and in now 2005 it is 8. Now how much increased population is there? 3, number 3. So how you have got number 3? 8 minus 5, 3. Clear? So which is the biggest number? This is the biggest number, increased population, and this was the 2002 population. So this number will come on the top. Total population in 2005 was this. It is this. And population in 2002 is this. Population increased in 2005 by this. Whenever they ask the difference, what is the difference? Okay, so we have to subtract, and while writing the number, just see the gap. We have not put the comma, but we have the gap in between. So this gap shows us the place values. Clear? So you have to write like this. The next is third question. The sun is 14 crore 80 lakh kilometers away from the earth, and the mass is 7 crore 68 lakh kilometers away from the earth. Which is the farther from the earth and by how much? So here they have given in the words. So first of all we have to write in the figures. Okay. So the first one is the sun. How much, like sun is distance the distance of the sun from the earth. Sun is 14 lakh. So it is 14 lakh. It is 14 crore 80 lakhs kilometer away, and distance of Mars from earth, that is the 7 crore 68 lakh. So which is farther? Sun is farther by, just subtract it and you will get the answer. Third question. What should be subtracted from this to obtain this? The question is, what should be subtracted from this? What should be subtracted from this so you get this answer? Clear? What should be subtracted to this number so you get this answer? So this is your statement. Clear? The simple. So we have to subtract. Now what will you do? This number you have to find, the second number. This is the first number and this is the answer they have given you, and they are asking which number you will subtract from this number. Clear? I will give you example. So here nine minus which number you will subtract so that you get 5. So what will you do? You subtract both the numbers, 9 minus 5. So which number you will get? That is 4. Subtract these two numbers. Clear? So here we have to find this number. So we'll subtract these two numbers and you will get this number. So this is, write this number because this is the biggest, and write this number. Whatever the answer you will get, that is your second number. The fifth number is the difference of two numbers is this, and the greater number is this. Find the smallest number. So whenever you subtract the number, this is the first number minus second number. When you subtract two number, you get the difference. Okay, the first number they have given, second number they are asking, and the answer they have given. So what will you do? You need to find out the second number. So you keep the second number this side. Okay, and when you change the place of the number, sign also changes. Clear? So we need second number. Second number you change the place, and then change the place of this number this side, because already this is the biggest number and this is the smallest number. So write this number and change the place of these two number. So when you change the place of this number, this is minus. Okay, so it will be plus, and this is plus. There is no sign here, so it is plus. So when you will come this side, it will be minus. So subtract both the numbers, you will get the answer. That will be the second number. Now question number 5, the difference, question number 6, the smaller of two number is this and their sum is this. What is the greater number? The same method, first number, second number, and answer they have given. Their sum means when you add two numbers, this is their answer. So the first number they are asking, second number they have given, and this is the answer they have given. So this is, again you need to find out the first number. So again I told you, first number you need to keep the first number here and change the place of this number and take it towards this side. So this is plus. When you take it to another side, it will be minus. Okay, so this minus this, you will get the answer. That will be the first number. So now this is your 2.4 exercise, and rest of the question, this question number 2, the total number of students in class 1 to 5 in Madhya Pradesh was this. Out of this, these many were girls. How many were boys? So the total number of students, these many. This is the first statement, and the second one is girls are this, and total number of children minus girls, you will get the boys. You have done all these questions in class 3 and 4 also. 7th question, the annual sale turnover of the company for 2003 was this. In the year of 2007, the annual sale turnover increased to this. What was the total increase in the sale turnover the company in 2007 over the 2003? Again, they are asking the difference. Increase means difference. Okay, what is the increase? So this is the biggest amount. So the annual sale turnover in 2007 is this. The annual sale turnover was in 2003 this. So the total increased in the sale turnover in 2007. When you subtract it, that the answer you will get. According to 1981 census, the population of India was this. It increased to this in year 1991. Find the increase in population. The same method, in 1981, this was the population of the India. Okay, and in 1991, the population was this. What was the increase? So this is the biggest number. Increase mean you have to find the increase number of, how many number of increased. So always subtract. So this is the biggest amount, biggest number. The population of India in 1991 was this, and population of India in 1981 was this. So minus it, you will get the answer. So this is your 2.4 exercise. Just write the questions on your notebook neatly and revise the next of the questions. Ask me your doubt in doubt class. Okay, thank you very much.